Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. I hope you all have read the taught part, that is Unit 1 of the story The Princess September, which I have taught you in the last class. I think you all have noted down the study material also, which I have given from this story. So today we will start with the Unit 2 of the same story. Before that, I would like to recapitulate you the story which we learned in Unit 1. So in Unit 1 we have seen that Princess September, the daughter of the king of Siam, was very sad and she was crying alone. Suddenly a bird came into her room and started singing, and listening to the song of the bird she became happy. As she became happy, she kept the bird with her. And on the very next day, she wanted to show the bird to other cousins, to the other princes. And that she did. She called other princesses and showed her bird. But the other princesses were very jealous of her. So what they did not want to let the bird roam freely, fly freely. And so they advised Princess September to keep the bird into a cage. Princess September, after her cousins left, became very anxious and started worrying about the bird, because the bird has gone out and it was not coming for some time, so she became very worried. Now in the Unit 2 we will see that she has made a cage and she is going to pop him into the cage. She will keep also the bird into the cage. So children, then open Unit 2 of the story Princess September at page number 43 in your Blossoms book and follow as I am reading. Suddenly, September heard a tweet tweet just behind her ear. The bird had come in quietly. September felt her heart go thump thump against her chest, and she made up her mind to take no more risks. She put up her hand and took hold of the bird. So what happened? Suddenly, September heard a tweet tweet. Tweet tweet means the singing of the bird just behind her ear, a sound made by the bird. The bird had come in quietly. So September felt her heart go thump thump against her chest, means her heart was beating very fast. And she made up her mind to take no more risk, that she will not take any more risk, and she will pick the bird up and she will keep it into the cage. So she put up her hand and took the hold of the bird. The bird was quite used to this, so he suspected nothing. He was surprised when she carried him to the cage, put him in and shut the door on him. So the bird was very much used to that every day usually Princess put the bird up on her hand, so it didn't suspect anything. Okay, but he was surprised when she carried him to the cage, put him in and shut the door on him. He hopped up on the ivory perch and said, "What is wrong?" He started hopping up and he said that, "What is wrong with you? Why are you doing this?" September said, "Some of Mama's cats are prowling about tonight." So she said that some of Mama's cats are prowling about tonight. "And I think you are much safer out here." "Well, just for this once, I don't mind," said the little bird, "so long as you let me out in the morning." So what the bird told, "Okay, for this night, if you are keeping me into the cage, it's okay. I will not mind, but tomorrow morning, you please keep me out of the cage." He ate a very good supper and began to sing. But in the middle of his song, he stopped. The bird ate the dinner and started singing also, but he stopped singing in the middle. I don't know what the matter with me is, he said, but I don't feel like singing tonight. So what the bird told? The bird told that I don't know what is the matter, but today I'm not feeling like singing, so I can't sing. And so he stopped singing. Very well, said September. Go to sleep instead. Then you go to sleep. So he put his head under his wing and in a minute was fast asleep. September went to sleep too, but when the dawn broke, dawn means early morning, she was awakened by the little bird calling her at the top of his voice. In the very early morning only, the bird called September at the top of his voice. Wake up, he said. Open the door of this cage and let me out. I want to have a good fly while the dew is still wet on the ground. So the bird said that I want to have a very good fly as the dew is still wet on the ground. You are much better off where you are, said September. You have a beautiful golden cage. So the bird wanted to come out and he is calling September, but September said, you are much better off where you are. You are better there only. You have a golden cage. Let me out, said the little bird. The bird is crying, please let me out. You will have 3 meals a day. You will have nothing to worry you from morning till night. So what he told that, you will have 3 meals a day. You will have nothing to worry for you from morning till night. And you can sing to your heart's content. You are having everything. You will have also everything. So you don't have anything to worry. You just sing to your heart's content, satisfaction. Okay. The little bird tried to sleep through the bars of the cage, but he could not. Means he tried to come out of the cage, but he could not. He beat against the door, but of course he could not open it. So he beat against the door, but of course he couldn't open it. He could not open it. He began to cry again, let me out, let me out. I have only put you in the cage because I am so fond of you. What Prince September said? She said that I have put you in the cage because I am so fond of you. I love you very much. But the little bird stood in the corner of his cage, looking out at the blue sky. He never sang a note. Why don't you sing and forget your troubles? Said September. But the little bird stood in the corner of his cage, looking out at the blue sky. But he never sang a note, means he could not sing. And September asked, why don't you sing and forget your troubles? How can I sing? The bird said. Answered the bird, I want to see the trees and the lake and the green rice growing in the fields. If that's all you want, I will take you for a walk, said September. So the bird said, I can't sing because I want to see the blue sky, the green rice growing fields and the lakes. Means I want to feel the nature. I want to be in the midst of nature. As I am kept in the cage, I cannot sing. I am not feeling like singing. So September then said, okay, if that's all you want, then I will take you for a walk. September said this, but actually she will not do this. What she will do, she will take him outside, but keeping him into the cage only. Will not make him free. Okay. So the thing will remain same. Again the bird will be unhappy, and at the last when the bird will stop singing and the bird will not give any response, then September will only understand or realize that the bird is really not feeling well. So then only at last she will make it free. So children, today till this much I will teach you, and you will read this unit 2 very well. I will provide you in the next class the activity 4 and activity 5 as the study material. It will be uploaded in Wasm, and for unit 3 we will do it in the next class. Okay children, so read it very well. Thank you students.